So in the previous lecture, I think we stopped at here pt, that is pt is equal to 50 fck upon fy under root, sorry, in bracket 1 minus under root 1 minus 4.6 mu fck p into d, and area of steel will be ast upon 100 into b into d. So this is how you can analyze the uh, problem. Now we have the another type of the problem, that is the design of section. So in design of section, we have different steps. The first step, that you should find out the limiting moment of resistance for the different grade. These are the equation that is given on the SP, that is given on the SP 16, right, and that is given on SP 16. So if your Fy is 250, then your mu limit equation, that will be 0.148 fck bd square, and if you have the Fy is equal to Fy is equal to 500, then your mu limit will be 0.133 fck bd square. So first you find out the mu limit according to your grade of the steel, then you find out the b and d, then you find out the pt from the same equation. Pt is equal to 50 fck upon fy under root, sorry, in bracket 1 minus under root 1 minus 4.6 mu upon fck bd square, and then you find out the area of steel. So area of steel is equal to percentage steel into area of concrete. Once you have this ast, then you find out the numbers of bar. So for numbers of bar, you have to assume the diameter of the one bar, right, and then you find out the area of one bar. Suppose you are assuming that you are going to provide the 10 mm bar, then find out the area of that one bar, that is small ast is equal to pi by 4 d square, that is equal to 10 square, right, and that is your small ast. And total numbers of bar, that will be the area of steel, total area of steel that is required, divided by area of steel of one bar, that is ast. So you will get the number of bar. Then you assume the cover, suppose I think 40 mm or 25 mm, and then you find out the d is equal to small d plus your effective cover, and then you prepare the figure of that particular uh, particular problem. So this is how you can solve the design problem. So now let's we take examples of this singly reinforced beam section. So the first example, that is singly RC beam has effective dimension of b is equal to 250 and effective depth is 450 mm, and it is reinforced with three numbers of 20 mm 5 bar, and Fe 415, that is a grade of steel, and you ask to find out the moment of resistance, and grade of steel is given M20, it means FCK, and this is your Fy. So your steel 415, grade of steel 20, then B is given. See here, one thing that you have to consider, that whenever you have the word effective before the dimension effective, right, then your second dimension is always as the small d, right, small d effective. So b and d is given. Here you have the three numbers of bar is given, three numbers of bar, and the three number of bar, the area and diameter is three numbers of 20 mm 5, that is given. So total area of steel is three numbers of 20 mm 5 bar, so 3 into pi by 4 d square. So total area of steel is 942.47 mm square. Then according to the steps of the analysis, you find out the XU 0.87 Fy AST upon 0.36 FCK into B. Put the value, that 415, that is grade of steel, AST that you derived, then grade of concrete is 20 and width that is 250. So you will get the this XU. Now according to page number 70 of 456, there is one note is given. So different grade of steel, you have the different value for XU max. So if your grade is 415, then XU max is equal to 0.48D, and put the value diesel for 540, and you will get the XU max. So see here, your XU max is greater than your XU. This is your XU and this is your XU max. So whenever your XU less than XU max, your section is called as the under reinforced section, and when it is under reinforced section, you put mu is equal to T into Z. See here, in the steps we have seen everything here. Yes, your XU is less than XU max, then it is under reinforced, and you will get the moment by T into Z, where T is equal to 0.87 FYST, FCK is equal to 0.36 FCKB into XU, and Z is equal to D minus 0.42 XU. So that we will use here. You find out the T, you find out the Z, and you find out the U. So this is your moment of resistance. So it means that if you have the cross section in which B is 250, D is 415, M20 grade concrete, and Fe 415 grade steel, 3 numbers of 20 m5 bar, then this section can resist the moment of 126.10 kilonewton into meter moment. Now another example in which the effective section is given. That is 300 into 450, that is effective depth. 3 numbers of 18 mm5 bar, then 50 mm is a cover. It is simply supported beam, 4 meter span, use grade of steel 415 and grade of concrete M20, and you asked to find out the safe load. Remember, safe load is asked, right, not the moment. So first of all we find out the area of steel, then you find out the XU, then you find out the XU max. You compare XU with the XU max to have this under reinforced or over reinforced or balance section to find out the MT. So find out the mu, and you got the mu, that is here 109.21 kilonewton into meter. Now safe load is asked. So it is a simply supported beam, 4 meter, it means the 4000 mm, and if you have the simply supported beam subjected to UDL load, then the equation for the moment, that is WL square by 8, WL square by 8. So put the value of mu, then put the value of L is equal to 400 mm. You convert Newton into kilonewton into Newton and meter into mm. So you will get the W value of W, that is 54.71 kilonewton per meter. Now this is the factored load, right? This is the factored load that is required to be divided by 1.5. That will give you the working load, right? So you divide this load with 1.5, will get the working load. Now the working load includes the dead load as well as the live load. So we want this live load, we want this imposed load, so that we need to find out the live load, that is safe load, that is total load minus the dead load. So dead load plus live load, that is equal to total load. So live load is equal to total load minus dead load, total load minus dead load. So what will be the dead load? So we have the beam, if you assume that the length of the beam is 1 meter, that is 1000 mm, width of the beam is given, that is 300 mm, and overall depth is 500 mm. So the volume will be 300 mm into 500 mm into 1000. So 0.3, 0.5 into 1. That is the volume of the beam for 1 meter length into density of the concrete, and that will give you the total self weight or the dead load. Now total load minus total load is 36 and live load is dead load is 3.75. So 36.47 minus 3.75, that will give you the safe load. So this is how you can find out the safe load. Now another example of the design a simply supported beam which has a rectangular cross section. Now this is the design problem, right? So effective depth is equal to twice the width. It means 2b. So d is equal to 2b, and it is going to resist the moment of, that is the mu, moment of 120 kilonewton into meter. So mu limit, right? And grade of steel is 415 and grade of concrete is M20. So FCK 415, Fy is 415, FCK is 20, mu limit is given. So kilonewton into meter. So convert into the newton and mm. So you need to multiply it with the 10 raised to 6, and d is equal to 2b is given. This condition is given. So mu limit is equal to, as you know, 0.138 FCK into b into d square. So put the value of mu, put the FCK, b is equal to b, d is equal to 2b, right? And you find out the b, then you find out the d, because d is equal to 2b into, so 2b, that is 230. Then you find out the area of steel. First you put the value of PT, right? Equation of PT 50 into FCK upon Fy in bracket 1 minus under root 1 minus 4.6 mu upon FCKB into d square, and you got the PT is equal to 0.824%. So total area of steel AST, that will be the PT percentage steel into area of concrete, that is B into D, and the area of steel required is 871.79 mm square. So now this is the total area AST required, right? That required to be provided. So we try with the M20, 20 mm 5 bar. So we assume that in this section we will provide the bar having the diameter is equal to 20 mm. So area of one bar, that is AST, small AST, that is pi by 4 d square, d is equal to 20 mm. So that is 314.15 mm square. And numbers of bar, that will be the total area of steel that is required to be provided divided by the area of one bar that you are going to provide, right? That is small AST. So total area required by unit area of the bar, that will give you the numbers. So here AST divided by small AST, that will give 2.70. Now 2.77 is not possible, so we will provide the 3 bars. So actually provided area, that is 3 into area of 1 bar, that is 3, that is 942.45 mm square. Then you find out the you assume the cover, that is 40 mm. So overall depth will be effective depth that you derive, that is 460 plus plus here you provide the 40 mm that cover. So total is a 500 mm, that is the overall depth, and then you draw the figure of your deriving, right? So this is what is given here, and this is what is given here. B already you derived, and this is how you can find out the design of singly reinforced beam. Now you solve this problem. I suggest that you just press this push button, and then you just um, write down the problem and then you solve by yourself. Hope you will bell icon press the bell icon here, and